going to be on the line up here. Okay. You're doing the line here. If you need the help and moving the line. I am.
And again, we've got one side with the sprinkler, and you see, you can't see the smoke, already the smoke alarm is going off. So, surely when you rescue your smoke alarm, you want to make sure that they activate just even a little bit of smoke, even though that's going so every time this fire is to the right side, because of that plexiglass and some of the information that is starting to take off very, very quickly. You see how quickly the fire spreads, and now both sides are going. Certainly by this point, if you were in this house, you would have to be outside. This is an extremely hazardous situation at this point. The residential sprinkler system, as you can see, is activated. How quickly it is going off. The white smoke is actually good in this case. It means that we've got some water on the fire, and it's holding the fire at bay until we can get there. The sprinkler system won't put out the whole fire for you, but it will hold it down to a manageable level until the fire department can get there and put the fire out. As you can see on the right side, there's no smoke detector, and there's no sprinkler, and the superheated gases are starting to burn the roof, they're burning insulation, they're burning that plexiglass, and you can see the fire actually ripping underneath now and straight out.
Look at that, dog. That is awesome. That shit's getting hot, dude. It's getting dangerous. Get it.
And now the firefighter's going to open it up and knock it down. And you'll see how quickly they put it out.
Put it out.
Hit it! As you can see, as soon as they start hitting the fire, they knock down that superheated gas on the ceiling, and then they come down and they dump the contents in the room. This hose line that they're operating to put out 200 gallons a day is a straight tank, but that wasn't even 25 gallons. It's nearly the contents of the fire. Now that we get a little closer, the fire clears down and get rid of it on the fire. So that was pretty quick, right? About 2 minutes or so, and not even. And all of a sudden, that entire room is just gone. How many people have a smoke detector in their house? Go ahead. Right? Everyone should be raising their hand publicly. How many